And some more gymnastics with events such as the Junior and the Senior Pan American Games and the Commonwealth Games on the horizon. The Jamaica Amateur Gymnastics Association concluded its national championships at the weekend. More in this report.
The Jamaica Amateur Gymnastics Association, JAGA, will now enter its final leg of preparation with athletes for a number of major events this year, including the Commonwealth Games. President of JAGA, Nicole Grant Brown, hailed the championships as a success, but again noted that U.S. athletes continue to outperform local gymnasts, but the gap is closing.
Well, of course, they do have a stronger program in the overseas, especially in the U.S., because, as you know, U.S. is the gymnastics country of the world. They are the world champions. They are the Olympic champions. I mean, they're on top. So yes, they do have a strong program, but we are basically running our program based on the U.S. program as well as the FIG and the PAGU program, and we are seeing where it has improved our athletes.
U.S.-based gymnast Alana Walker, who won an historic bronze at the Pan Am Championships last year, was also in attendance and was awarded the Olympic Solidarity Scholarship.
Very exciting to be a part of the national team. It's so amazing to be competing for the country of Jamaica. I am just so happy.
Florida-based athlete Avril Bryn is proud to now follow in her father's footsteps of representing Jamaica, as Sion is a former national swimmer.
I really like to push myself to the limits. I accept the mistakes that happens, and I kind of just learn from them and do better next time. I learn from my mistakes and I just push through, and I'm always smiling. So just trying to stay positive throughout my journey.
For local gymnast Jamila Duffers, getting back on the team this year was especially satisfying given a tough few weeks.
I have an ankle injury that I got recently in the gym that I couldn't really do much, but the past week I had to be trying to get back on my game, and this is what I came out and did.
Daniela Richards, who won 5 gold medals, and Chloe Siaga, who ended the championship with 4, both believe this is just the first step to where they want to be.
Eventually, I do want to go to the Olympics. It's been my dream since I was 11. And of course, I want to have a college career, but I'm grateful I'm on the Jamaican national team.
For Jamaica, as far as I can go, I just want to make the country proud and do as best as I can for them. And then I really would like to get a college scholarship in the future.
The full team is expected to be named in the coming days. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.